no fluid. That's because I already drained the reservoir. It already's in there. See? Hello. Whoops, we're dripping a little there. Boom. We're gonna flip that sucker right upside down on there. We're gonna open this reservoir up. Like I said, use the right oil. Boop. Hardly anything in there. We're gonna do that. We've already loosened these things. There's one here. We showed you that. It's right here. See what? And then right there. There's another one hidden. Right behind that hose and spring right there. You just gotta reach down there and lift it up. Click. Right there. Like that. Click. Yep. Alright, after you got everything drained out of that thing, as we do, we're going to take this new filter. Boom, we're going to take this thing off of here. We're going to fill it up with new premium oil, right? So it's all nice and good in there, so it's not dry when we start the system, you know? Get a little good. Take this plastic off. I'm going to stick it on there. We'll be right back. So I like to take my little cardboard thingy, drop my little wrench thing like that, filter in, new filter, drop a little oil thing in, and we're going to go open that sucker up. Go. Halfway. Let it ride. Watch. Eating. A little bit more, and we're good. It's about we're gonna go in there. Maybe it sucks in a little more, maybe it doesn't. We're gonna have this cut right here, nice and close. I'm melting. All right, I'm gonna get a couple of good jugs. Mix it around, around the world. Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Look inside the hole. Look how much room's still in there. Let's add a little more. Bloop. That's it. Now we're putting the cap on. Calling it. Here we go. Mobile one off to the side. We're going to do another around the town here and get a little bit of lift action. I believe we're overflowing at this point, but it will throw through those filters. It's nice, cleany fluid. We should be goody good. Get a little more. Let that plug for a second and drain down those little tiny holes. Look. And we're good. See? I filled it a little bit too far, so I just bloop, put it back in there. Plugged it with my finger, dropped it in there. Just couldn't do it with one hand. We're going to take that, we're going to drop it back in there, we're going to close this off, let that drain up. Then we have a full filter. We're going to move this out of the way. I'm going to tuck down here and go bloop. Look at this thing. We are going to see the gunk. There's the gunk. Let's get it. A little bit of this. I need one of my handy dandy helpers.